in jail.
Last time I checked, it wasn't illegal for a kid to walk to the store. So.
It is when they're 10 years old.
The arrest of a mother for allowing a 10-year-old son to walk a mile into town is a troubling example of government overreach and a growing intrusion into fundamental parenting rights. The 14th Amendment Due Process Clause protects the right of parents to raise their children according to their own values and judgment, free from unwanted state interference. The Supreme Court has repeatedly affirmed that parents, not the government, have the primary authority to make decisions about their children, their care, upbringing, and their independence.
The story that's going to have everyone talking. The mother arrested after police say they spotted her son walking to town by himself. She's now facing charges, and ABC's Jacqueline Lee is following this story. Good morning, Jacqueline. An unbelievable story. What happened here? So many people, especially mothers, are going to be looking at this.
Oh, absolutely, Gio. Good morning. This mom says her son went on a 15 to 20-minute walk to the store. As a result, she was arrested, fingerprints and mugshots taken, and she faces potential jail time. She says she did nothing wrong.
Turn around for me.
Why?
Because you're under arrest.
This morning, the shocking arrest of a Georgia mother after her 10-year-old son walked to the store by himself.
What am I under arrest for?
For reckless endangerment.
You can see the moment right here on police body camera. Brittany Patterson put into handcuffs by sheriff's deputies at the end of October in rural Mineral Bluff, Georgia.
I didn't really even know what I was being arrested for. I had to ask.
According to a Fannin County Sheriff's Office report, her son Soren, who has since turned 11, walked less than a mile into town to go to the Dollar General while Patterson took one of her children to the doctor. Authorities discovered him walking alone after getting a call from a concerned resident. Officials then dropped him off at home, according to the report.
Moreover, these incidents highlight a deeper systemic issues such as inconsistent application of laws and potential bias in determining what constitutes acceptable parenting. Parents from different cultures, social economic backgrounds, or community backgrounds are disproportionately subjected to scrutiny, further exacerbating inequity. It's time for a broader conversation about the role of government in family life and the need to affirm that parents, not the state, are best equipped to decide what is in the children's best interests. Respecting these rights is essential not only to protecting families, but also to preserve the fundamental liberties guaranteed by the Constitution.
He knows how to get home. He knows how to get there. So again, I wasn't concerned for his safety.
But 5 hours later, Patterson was arrested on suspicion of reckless conduct, which carries up to a year in jail.
Last time I checked, it wasn't illegal for a kid to walk to the store. So.
It is when they're 10 years old.
Her arrest warrant claiming she willingly and knowingly did endanger the bodily safety of her juvenile son. Her attorney disputes this.
Our criminal justice system is built on the fact that you did something criminally negligent. So what is it she did?
We spoke with the sheriff's office as well as Patterson and her attorney, who say the charges are not dropped. She is out on bail and waiting to be indicted. Now, a good rule of thumb for parents, of course, is check your state law for when a child can stay home alone. Whit.
All right, Jacqueline Lee, so many questions about this story. Follow this one closely.
It's a wild one.
Yeah.
Stories like this highlight a critical issue: the erosion of parental rights through government overreach. The Constitution, through the 14th Amendment, protects a parent's right to decide how to raise their children without undue interference. When authorities step in without evidence of harm, they undermine the rights and disrupt families. We must challenge this growing intrusion to protect the liberty of parents and to ensure children can grow in environments shaped by their families, not by fear of state intervention.